Hey there, folks!
Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we bring you the best products in the market and give you all the information you need to make an informed decision. Today, we've got something special for you. The best cleaner for iPhone screens, the Eveo Screen Cleaner Spray and Wipe. So, what makes the Eveo Screen Cleaner Spray and Wipe the best cleaner for your iPhone screen? Let's dive right in and find out. This screen cleaner spray is packed with features that set it apart from the rest. First and foremost, it provides streak-free cleaning. The powerful liquid formula ensures that your screens are free from grime, oils, and fingerprints, giving you a crystal clear view every time. Say goodbye to complicated cleaning routines. The Eveo Screen Cleaner comes with a built-in microfiber cleaning cloth and a mist spray, making it super easy to clean your electronic devices. Whether it's your iPhone, smartphone, tablet, iPad, computer, laptop, or even your smartwatch, this cleaner has got you covered. Worried about harsh chemicals damaging your precious devices? Don't be! This screen cleaner is alcohol and ammonia-free, making it gentle on all types of screens, including smartphones, laptops, tablets, computer monitors, and even TVs. Whether you're on a trip or just out and about, this compact touchscreen mist cleaner is the perfect travel companion. It fits easily in your purse, bag, or pocket, so you can keep your screen spotless wherever you go. Tired of juggling multiple cleaning products? With Eveo, you get an all-in-one screen cleaner. It combines a powerful mist spray and a high-quality microfiber cleaning cloth in one convenient application. Plus, the cloth is washable and reusable. Now, let's talk specifically about why the Eveo Screen Cleaner is the best choice for your iPhone. iPhone screens can accumulate fingerprints and smudges like no other. This cleaner is specially designed to tackle those tough iPhone screen stains and keep it looking pristine. The compact size of this cleaner makes it ideal for your iPhone on the go. Whether you're traveling or just stepping out, you can have it ready in your pocket for quick and easy cleaning. iPhones are a significant investment, and you want to treat them with care. The alcohol and ammonia-free formula ensure that your iPhone remains in top condition without any damage. Now, let me show you how easy it is to use the Eveo Screen Cleaner Spray and Wipe on your iPhone. Start by giving your iPhone screen a quick spray with the mist cleaner. Next, use the built-in microfiber cloth to gently wipe the screen. The cloth will pick up all the grime and leave your iPhone looking brand new. So, there you have it, folks. The Eveo Screen Cleaner Spray and Wipe, the best cleaner for your iPhone screen and all your electronic devices. It's easy to use, effective, and gentle on your devices. If you want to keep your screens crystal clear, click the link in the description below to get your very own Eveo Screen Cleaner today. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more great product reviews, and leave a comment if you have any questions or want to share your experience with this fantastic cleaner. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.